Stop! Before you sign that contract, this one decision just saved my client $47,000. What if the dream home you're about to buy is hiding secrets that could bankrupt you? Should you get a home inspection? Here are the terrifying reasons the answer is yes. Number 1, it identifies structural damage, roof leaks, or foundation cracks that could cost tens of thousands. Number 2, uncovers safety hazards like faulty wiring, carbon monoxide risks, or plumbing disasters waiting to flood your life. 3, it's your golden negotiation tool. Demand repairs or slash the price. 4, it's a legal escape hatch. Walk away scot-free if the house is a money pit. 5, reveals the real age of HVAC, plumbing, and electrical, so you are not blindsided by $15,000 surprises. 6, prevents post-closing nightmares that become your financial burden the second you get the keys. 7, delivers pure peace of mind from a qualified pro. 8, most lenders and insurers demand it before they'll touch your deal. Skipping the inspection isn't brave, it's financial suicide. Book yours before you even make an offer.
Your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.